Now I'm going to measure how much snow has come down so far. It's about 5 o'clock. Oh, there's my boot hole. It's pretty deep. Ooh, and it goes way down there. I wore the right boots this time. So it looks like about 5 inches so far. 5 inches. And I'm sure the street looks the same, but we can go check it out. Oh, my fingers are frozen. Ooh, and my face is getting pelted with snow. There are the stairs, they're all frozen. There's our car again. And I think there's snow on the lens. Try and get that off. So it looks about the same out here. Everything's just getting more and more covered. Let's go back. I'd say in the past half hour we've gotten at least half an inch. My tracks are pretty deep here. This is definitely the most snow that we've seen since we've been here. Scott was here about a half hour ago and he shoveled the walkway. And it's no longer shoveled. It's piled up pretty high. And I'd say about maybe half inch or so in the past half hour. All right, we'll check in later. Bye.